Hello foodies, welcome back to Love for Food and Travel. This is our second vlog in the Ramzan series. In this video, we will be visiting top 5 mutton halim spots which we visited this season. Towards the end of the video, we will also show a bonus viral halim spot. So do watch the video till the end. We had covered the night bazaar at Charminar in our first vlog. If you haven't watched it yet, do check out the video in the description. If you don't want to miss our happening Eid videos, do subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notification. We would be covering all major must-visit spots this Ramzan in Hyderabad. So do enjoy our videos and watch till the end. Now, let's get started. We chose to go for halim hopping on Sunday evening on the day of India's finals cricket match, as we thought the roads would be less crowded. Since we already had a tough day at the Charminar the previous night, we wanted to do the halim vlog little more leisurely and peacefully. And as we expected, not only the roads were free, even the halim spots weren't crowded at all. We started from our home around 8 in the evening and our first spot was at Sarvi. Friends, we again want to tell you that these are not in any order of taste or price. These are the places which we visited this year for halim. If you want to know about other halim spots in Hyderabad, please check out the description for the links. We visited Sarvi restaurant located at Masab Tang Road and ordered an Irani mutton halim. This was priced at Rs 300. They poured some ghee in halim's big handi and carefully filled the box with mutton halim. On top of this, they further added some more ghee, topped it with fried onions and coriander leaves and packed it along with lemon and spoon. We paid for the halim and found a place to taste it. We had ordered regular halim, but they also have a special mutton halim which is topped with boiled egg and chicken 65 for Rs 390. Apart from this, they also have family and jumbo halim packs. I quickly opened the box, squeezed a slice of lemon and gently gave it a mix. The halim looked very appetizing. It was rich and creamy with a generous amount of ghee and fried onions. I took a big spoonful and had it. Friends, the halim tasted too good. The halim along with fried onions were bursting with flavors in my mouth. I simply love the texture of the halim and I did not find any big bones in it too. This is one of the best halims in Hyderabad, and if you ask me, will I go for it again? It is definitely a big yes. From Sarvi, we went to Peshawar restaurant in Lakdi Ka Pul and ordered a regular mutton halim for Rs 300. Since we wanted to taste the halim in their restaurant, we paid additional Rs 14 as GST. Peshawar claims that their halim is double mutton halim and they don't have any big chunky bones in it. The halim had comparatively less fried onions than Sarvi, but here they had added some fried nuts too. After squeezing the lemon, I tasted the halim. It was enjoyable and had a smooth texture too. It tasted good, but I like the Sarvi's halim more than this. And if you ask me, will I go for it again? It is yes. Our next spot was Pista House Premium Lounge at Namballi. Here, we ordered a regular mutton halim for Rs 300. Since it was a premium lounge outlet, halim was served in a plate. However, we were disappointed as it was served in a paper plate with a flimsy small plastic spoon. I was expecting a proper plate and a spoon. This mutton halim did not have any fried nuts nor coriander leaves, but it had a generous amount of fried onions and ghee. I really liked the taste of the halim. It was a little spicy and it was packed with flavors. However, it had big bones in it, and also we could see many whole spices like pepper and cloves in the halim. If you ask me, will I go for it again? Maybe yes. From Namballi, we started moving towards Abits. But this time, we were almost full. But still we were adamant to explore more places for good halim. Our next spot was Grand Hotel in Abits. We ordered a regular mutton halim for rupees 260 along with a free coke. They also have a special halim pack for rupees 320 as well as family and jumbo packs. In fact, here you can even get chicken halim for rupees 220 per plate, and it was also available in different packs. The mutton halim had generous amount of ghee and it was topped with fried onions and few nuts. Finally, they poured a ladle of sherwa for extra flavor. After finding a place to stand, I quickly opened the box, squeezed a lemon and gave it a mix. I really like the texture and consistency of the halim. Personally, I enjoyed this halim very much. I think this is a value for money pack as the price was relatively less and they even provided a free coke. Our next destination was Bawarchi restaurant at RTC X Road. It took some 15 minutes from Abits for us to reach there. This year, we have been hearing positive and good reviews about Bawarchi's halim, and so we thought we should not miss it. Also, this is our first time to taste their halim too. We ordered a regular mutton halim for rupees 300. Here, you can even customize the toppings based on your preference. Adjacent to the restaurant, there was an area where you can comfortably stand and eat. I was eagerly waiting to try their halim as it was my first time. This was a regular mutton halim with ghee and some fried onions on top. We could see big bones in it. Taste-wise, it was good and flavorful too. However, I did not find any wow factor in this halim as claimed by many others. But this was a decent halim to try out. Now, let's go to the bonus halim spot. This spot is located at Musaram Bagh near Malakpet and it is famous for its special mutton kofta halim. By now, you would have guessed this viral halim spot, which is off late everywhere in social media. Yes, this is Spice 9 restaurant. From the beginning of this Ramzan season, I have been hearing many reviews about this place. So, even though it is very far from my place, I definitely wanted to try and give my genuine review. So I ordered their special kofta halim for rupees 430. They also have their regular mutton halim for rupees 280 along with family pack. They even have chicken halim for rupees 200. Halim was topped with generous amount of fried onions, coriander leaves and fried nuts. On top of this, they placed 3 mutton kofta balls and then poured sherwa on top of it. We decided to taste their halim in their restaurant. I wanted to taste the kofta first and I was expecting the kofta to be soft and juicy. But to my disappointment, it was very hard and chewy. The koftas did not have much flavor in it. As such, the halim was also a big letdown and it tasted okayish. If you ask me, will I go for it again? It is a big no. If you live somewhere close to the restaurant, then maybe you can give it a try. But traveling 30 kilometers from my home to try this halim is definitely not worth it. Friends, hope you enjoyed our halim hopping vlog in this Ramzan season. We will be back soon with another interesting Ramadan vlog. So stay tuned. During this Ramzan season, do comment below. So dears, eat responsibly and stay healthy.